Hi everyone. In this video, let us see exercise 2.3. So this is regarding equality of sets. Here the questions are based on equality of sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal when all the elements in A are also elements in B. Now let us check the first one. Which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? Set A is X such that X is a letter in the word follow. So let us write in roster form. A is equal to F, then O, then L. Now L is repeated here, O is repeated, W. Now let us take the set B. B is X such that X is a letter in the word flow. So B is equal to, what are the letters in the word flow? F, L, O, W. No letter is repeated here. Then in C, C is X is such that X is a letter in the word wolf, W-O-L-F. So the letters are W-O-L-F. Now observe the three sets. In each set, we have the elements are F. F is here, here, here. O. O is in A here, O is in B here, O is in C here. And L is in A here, B in C also there. Then W is there in B and C also. So all the elements in A are also elements of B and are also elements of C. So A is equal to B is equal to C. So all these sets are equal. Now let us see the second question. Consider the following sets and fill up the blanks with equal or not equal so as to make the statement true. A is given 1, 2, 3 and B is given the first three natural numbers. The first problem here is A dash B. Whether A and B are equal or not, we have to mark. Here A is 1, 2, 3 in roster form. Here in a statement it is given as first three natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3 are first three natural numbers. So A is equal to B. Now second one, A dash E. A is 1, 2, 3. A has elements 1, 2, 3. And E has elements A, E, I, O, U. So they are not equal. So A is not equal to E. Then third one, C dash D. What is C here? A, B, C, D. The elements are A, B, C, D. In D, the elements are D, C, A, B. Only the order is changing. All the elements in C are also there in D. So set C and set D are equal. C is equal to D. Fourth one, D dash F. Now D is D, C, A, B. F is set of vowels in English alphabet. Set of vowels, we know vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But in D, we have the elements D, C, A, B. So D and F are not equal. Set D is not equal to set F. Then F dash A. F is set of vowels in English alphabet. So A, E, I, O, U. Then A is 1, 2, 3. So these two are not equal. F is not equal to A. Fourth one, D dash E. D is DCAB. A is AEIOU. So D and E are not equal. F and B. F is set of vowels and B is first three natural numbers. They are also not equal. Now let us see third question. In each of the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. So what is A is equal to B? If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. Now let us check whether these two conditions satisfy or not. The given one, first one is A is equal to ABCD, B is equal to DCAB. Now first let us verify whether A is a subset of B. Now take each element of A and check whether it is there in B. Here we have A in set A. It is there in set B. Here we have B. It is there in set B. Here we have C. It is there in set B. Here we have D. It is there in set B. So every element of A is in B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Now let us check whether B is a subset of A. Take the elements in B and check whether they are in A. D. D is there in A. C here. C is there in A. And A here. A is there in A. And B here. B is there in A. So every element of B is in A. Therefore, B is a subset of A. As A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A is equal to B. Now let us see the second one. So here let us check whether A is a subset of B. Take the elements of A and check whether they are in B or not. Now 4 is here, so it is there in B. 8 is here, 8 is there in B. Here we have 12, 12 is not there here in B. 12 is not there. So 12 belongs to A, but 12 does not belong to B. Therefore, A is not a subset of B. As A is not a subset of B, A is not equal to B. So we need not check the other way. Once A is not a subset of B, A is not equal to B. So next let us see third one. So here A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equal to, let us write the elements of B in roster form here. B is set of all x such that x is a positive even integer and x is less than 10. There is a condition on x that x is less than 10. So we have positive even integers or we have positive even integers as 2, 4, 6, 8. X should be less than 10. So we don't write x 10 here. Now let us check whether all the elements of A are in B or not. In A we have 2. So it is there in B. Here we have 4. It is there in B. Here we have 6. It is there in B. Here we have 8. It is there in B. Here we have 10. 10 is not here. So 10 belongs to A, but 10 does not belong to B. So A is not a subset of B. As A is not a subset of B, as A is not a subset of B, A is not equal to B. Now the fourth one, B is given in roster form, A is not given in roster form. Let us write A in roster form. X is a multiple of 10. So the numbers in roster form are 10, 20, 30, 40, like this, etc. B is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. Now let us check whether A is a subset of B. That is, whether all the elements of A are in B or not. Now 10, we have 10 here, it is there in B. We have 20 here, it is there in B. 30 here, it is there in B. 40 I have written here, so it is also there because the next one it may be 40. Here we have 35, then 40. So 40 is also there in B. Every element of A is in B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Now let us check whether B is subset of A. So let us check whether all the elements of B are elements of A or not. We have 10 here, here we have 10, here we have 15, but in A there is no 15. Also 25, there is no 25 in A. So we write 15 belongs to B, but 15 does not belong to A. Also 25 belongs to B. 25 does not belong to A. Therefore, B is not subset of A. As B is not subset of A is not equal to B. Fourth question, state the reasons for the following. So here two sets are given with inequality sign. We have to mention the reasons for the inequality. Here set is 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 10. Here it is given as x belongs to n and x is between 1 and 10. So here x is between 1 and 10. So x will not take value 1 and x will not take value 10. So we can take the values between 1 and 10. So here in roster form the set is given as 1, 2, 3 and up to 10. So in this set builder form there should not be 1 and 10. But here we have 1 and 10. So they are not equal. This is the reason for inequality. The second one, the list is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here in set builder form, the element x is given as x is equal to 2n plus 1. X is a natural number. X belongs to capital N. So in this pattern 2n plus 1 we have odd numbers. If we take values for n as 1, 2, 3 etc. we'll get, so 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3, 2 into 2 plus 1 is 5, 2 into 3 plus 1 is 7. So these are all odd numbers. In left side we are given with even numbers. So they are unequal. The inequality sign is because the left side they are even numbers, on the right side these are all odd numbers. Third one, the list is given as 5, 15, 13, 5, 15, 30, 45. Here on right side x is a multiple of 15. So x is a multiple of 15. There is no restriction. There is no restriction. That is one reason. And also here on left side 5 is there. 5 is not a multiple of 15. So for these two reasons, these two sets are unequal. Then fourth one, list has 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. And in set builder form on right side we have x is a prime number. So out of this list given in left side, 2, 3, 5, 7, these are prime numbers. But 9 is not a prime number. 9 is not prime. So these two sets are unequal. Now let us see question number 5. List all the subsets of the following sets. So we have to list all the subsets of the given set. B is equal to PQ. So subsets of B. 5 are empty set. Empty set is a subset of every set. So first one is empty set 5. Then here we have two elements in B. So let us take first sets containing only one element. So set containing P. Then another element set containing Q. So now we have taken one element each. Now let us go to two elements each. Two elements PQ. So PQ. Of course this is B. So we have four subsets. 5 set containing element P, set containing element Q and set containing elements PQ, that is equal to B. So we have four subsets. Let us go to second bit. C is equal to X, Y, Z. Subsets. First one is 5. Now let us take only one element. So x, set containing one element x, then y, then z. Now go for two elements x, y, then x, z, then y, z. So we finished taking two elements. Then next go to three elements. So x, y, z. So this is equal to C only. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get 8 subsets here. Now third one, D is equal to A, B, C, D. Here we have 4 elements. The subsets are 5. Then take each element, each one element only. So A, then B, set having C, set having D. Then take two elements at a time. A, B, then A, C, then A, D. Then start with B, B, C, B, D. Then C, D. So we finished taking two elements. Then go for three elements. A, B, C. Then A, B, D. Then A, C, D. B, C, D. Then four elements A, B, C, D. This is equal to set D. Then fourth one 1, 4, 9, 16. The subsets are 5, set having 1, set having 4, set having 9, set having 16. So we finished sets having one element. Now let us go for two elements. 1, 4, 1, 9, 1, 16. Now start with 4, 4, 9, 4, 16. Now start with 9, 9, 16. Then three elements 1, 4, 9. Next 1, 4, 16. Then 1, 9, 16. Then 4, 9, 16. Then four elements 1, 4, 9, 16. The fifth one, F is equal to 10, 100, 1000. Subsets are first one 5, then take only one element 10, then 100, then 1000. Now take two elements each 10, 100, 10,000, then 100,000. Then all the three elements 10, 100, 1000. So this is F. See you in next video.